Hello, today I'm making garlic cheese bread. This bread has a wonderful aroma, a great texture, and a delicious buttery flavor. As you can see, it's also very cheesy. So I'll get started with the recipe. So go ahead and beat 1 egg in a bowl. The egg should be at room temperature for best results. Add in the milk. The milk should also be warm. Add in the sugar, the yeast, and mix those wet ingredients together. I have measurements of all these ingredients in the description box. Go ahead and add flour and salt and use a spatula to mix those in. The dough will be soft at this stage and it's okay. Then add butter. This butter should be soft. And then you're going to probably just use your hands to knead the dough until it is very smooth. Yeah, you're going for that kind of smoothness for your dough. And now sprinkle a good amount of flour on a wide surface and go ahead and just shape your dough into a ball and also get it a little bit more firm. So there's not a lot of kneading at this stage. It's just like you're shaping it so you're getting it a little firm. Go ahead and shape it into a nice and flat circle because you will need that shape later as well. And then grease your baking pan and place the dough in the center nicely and then cover it for fast proofing. Now you're going to prepare the garlic spread. So get soft butter, garlic, and some chopped scallions and just mix those together. I have the measurements for this as well in the description box. Now go ahead and slice your fresh mozzarella cheese. You could use any type of mozzarella cheese, so I think they would work just fine. Go ahead and slice them into this kind of sizes. The goal is to arrange this cheese onto your bread, and I'll show you how to do that. Now the bread has risen enough, so go ahead and press out the air, but maintain that shape. And then use any tool you have at your disposal to cut it into this kind of square shapes. So I'm using my pizza cutter, but you could also use a sharp knife to do the same job. Just try to keep the sizes equal as much as you can, and then go ahead and spread in the garlic butter mixture. Yeah, use a spoon or you could use a basting brush, anything that works for you. And then I just went ahead and redefined those sections with my dough scraper. I think this is not as much necessary, but I decided to do it so that I can place the cheese in. So yeah, go ahead and arrange the cheese in all those little spaces that you just made, but try to keep them off the edges because when they melt, they're gonna flow out. Now go ahead and bake your bread and yeah. Also, please check out my books on Amazon. I especially recommend my cute notebooks for journaling. I also have word search puzzles, coloring books for kids as well as adults, and then I have picture books for kids. So I'll appreciate your support. Okay, now the bread is ready. It looks well browned and very appetizing, and it's also very cheesy as you can see. So I'm just gonna tear some pieces here and show you the inside as well. You could enjoy this at any time of day. It could be a snack, it could be an appetizer for you. It could even be a main meal. It's really good. I hope you really love this recipe. Just to show you a little bit of the inside, beyond the cheesiness. The bread itself is very buttery. See that? Yeah, so it's really amazing. I hope you love it. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.